Hello, Miss Hardy. Thank you for inviting me to come give a presentation at your school. I came up with 5 basic skills that teachers of the 21st century should have, and they should be fairly easy for your teachers to integrate in your school. So, my first thing is that teachers should change up their teaching and presenting styles every day. So, Um, students get really bored when teachers keep on assigning the same types of work every day, and also when they don't interact with the students or everything gets pretty monotonous and boring. So, what I would suggest is that a teacher does a presentation one day, shows videos, and um, just incorporates different kinds of teaching and presenting methods throughout their course. Another great thing about the 21st century is that a lot of jobs require collaboration and communication. So, in order to prepare students for uh, for their future jobs and what's going to be expected of them, teachers should occasionally assign group projects. So, group projects will help students become better communicators. They'll help them assign different tasks to each other, and um, and they'll learn how to collaborate and get a goal done. Teachers should also be able to create videos like this one I'm creating right now. So one thing about creating videos is that when a student is home or he's sick, then they can just go back online, look at the videos, and then be caught up with class. So also, I learned how to do this within a few minutes, and I think it's really cool. And I think a lot of teachers will actually enjoy producing videos and seeing what all they can do. So teachers should also have students solve problems because another one of the skills required for 21st century students is to be uh, critical thinkers and problem solvers. So teachers should come up with different scenarios that uh, students have to think through and solve for their classes, which will help prepare them for their new jobs, which are more in service um, and not really in monotonous tasks like factory work. And also because we live in the modern age and web information is available all over the web, teachers should be able to detect plagiarism because it's pretty easy nowadays for a student just to copy and paste something from the web. So teachers should be able to understand writing style and um, other kinds of hints to detect plagiarism, so that student so they can catch students when they're cheating. But thank you for inviting me, and I'm super excited to come and present about these 5 things.